Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 111 Waters Park Circle here in San Mateo. 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,088 square feet townhouse. Just huge and more importantly, just absolutely gorgeous. Here we are looking at the closet as you come into the door. We're actually going to start this tour on the second level and we'll go back downstairs at the end, but just look at this amazing property. Really tall ceilings, recessed lighting, air conditioning. You can see the air conditioning vents keep you nice and cool during the summer. Look at this gorgeous kitchen right here. Hardwood floors, deep sink, quartz countertop, separate stove top, and double oven. Refrigerator's coming. Lots and lots of closet space. Your cabinetry space is just amazing. Dishwasher, all stainless appliances, and very, very well built. This is a brand new construction and is located in a brand new community as well. So everything is sparkling new as you look around, and very well done. The developers have taken a keen interest in making sure that not only is it built well, but also that is very energy efficient. The windows and the doors that we're seeing are double pane, which do an amazing job to keep this sound out and the warmth in. So you'll be very impressed with how quiet, once you're in the property, it is. Top level, this is a sleeping bedroom area. This is the primary bedroom. This is actually a very spacious room. I don't know if the video is doing this justice, but this is one of 2 walk-in closets that we'll take a look at. Window treatments are being provided by the owner, so those are already taken care of. This is a shower, double sink, and a toilet at the end, and then to the right is another walk-in closet. So if you like changing while you're in the bathroom, there's lots of space to hang clothes and have shoes, jackets, and even extra storage. I should note that this top level, the bedroom level, does have carpeting. Of course, brand new, as this is new construction, and it's really soft too as you're walking through it. This is the second bedroom. Again, there's 3 bedrooms in total on this level, and then you have another one. This is facing the creek. This one's facing the creek. Again, nice closet. This isn't walk-in, but it is very, very spacious, and then again, tall ceilings. Bathroom on this level, tub shower combination, be like taking baths. This is a location for you, and then turning around, owner will be providing a washer and dryer that will be going into this area right here. Located in San Mateo, this is pretty close to the freeway. Foster City is right across. That's the wonderful city where all the homes are in between the waterway. Just really, really gorgeous floor plan here. And then technology, highways, shopping, you're very, very close to everything in this location. This is nice. You can use that for linens or cleaning supplies. Of course, that was the guest bathroom. This is the lower level. This is the 4th bedroom. Again, air conditioning unit you can see on top. Very private as you're down at the bottom floor, and you can use this as an office or an in-law or whatever you may have a need for. Again, very spacious bathroom down here, tub or shower, stand-up shower, and here we have another closet. Going through this door, we're in the 2-car garage. So very, very roomy, more than enough space to fit 2 cars, and as well as have some workspace as well. Here we're walking in the back. We entered the front of the house before. This is the back, and you note this is a very this unit is one of the top end units in the development. You can tell by the double garage that it has. Most of the properties have a single garage, so this is one of the nicest units in the buildings. Walking down the creek there, this gives you an idea of the walking trail. This extends on for a pretty long period of time. And then the community has common areas, so you have a park and barbecue areas and community gardens that we'll be going through. But that's the home. Again, this is 111 Waters Park Circle. If you're interested in the property, we're doing showings, want to hear from you, want to get you into the property, and so you have an opportunity to enjoy this location. It's just absolutely gorgeous, and you won't be disappointed. So we look forward to seeing you. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to having you as a tenant.